report is brought to you by 3M Shoes. Wow. Okay. 18, no good. Rebound by number 6. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Pass to Aquino. 5 for 3, no good. Rebound by Iko. Number 14 to JR. Pass to number 3. Milanem. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass break. There's a violation.
Mire. Technical. Ahora no puede hacer esto.
Bebo. Perdón.
No puede pedir el balón al equipo contrario.
Sí, pero...
Martín primero, ¿no? ¿Es permitido?
Sí, permitido. Okay, pass number 6, penetrate. Number 14. Okay, lays up. No good. Follow up by number 3. It's 2 points. Okay, Ganaden dribbling the ball. Still dribbling. Okay, walking while dribbling. Tinira sa press. 3 point by Mr. Ganaden. Score 3-2, 1 point lead. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to Iko. Iko, pass for 3, no good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to Perry. Pass to right kay Aquino. Easy shot by Mr. Aquino. 2 points. 5-2, 3-point lead ng Los Amigos. Pass to Samuel, tries for 3. Airball. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, tinitribon, Pintasa. Aquino. Number 8. Number 6. Wala. Rebound. Number 18, penetrates. Tinira. No good. Rebound again by number 6. Pinasa kay Aquino. Number 3. No good. Rebound by Iko. Samuel. Tinira. It's good. 5-4, 1 point lead. Number 6 moving the ball. Number 8 was to Perry. Tries for 3. No good. Rebound by number 18, June. Pinasa kay JR. There's a foul by number 6. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 18 pass to JR. Pinasa kay Iko. Napalakas. Masyadong mataas. Los Amigos ball. Pass for play. Perry. Nag-iisang tinila sa tres. No good. Again. There's for 3. No good again. Rebound by Jude. Jude dribbling the ball. Tinira. It's good. Aquino. Nagsimong ball ang pinasa kay Ganaden. Tinira. It's good. 7-6. 1 point lead. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. JR dribbling the ball. Rebound by number 6. Pass to Aquino again. Aquino penetrates. Tinira. Chacha. It's good. 9-6. 3-point lead. Pinaan kay June. June penetrates. She lays up. It's good. 9-8. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Aquino, Aquino, oops. Ganun, there's a foul. Number 2. Okay. Labas ng bola ni Aquino. Pinasa kay Perry. Tinira sa 3. Oh, there's a foul. By number 6. Pinalto sa 3-point area. So, tatlong tira po ito.
Tatlong team fouls na. Team fouls.
Team foul, team foul.
Team fouls.
Second team foul. First try. No good. Mukhang naubos sa 3-point shot doon sa kabila. Second try. It's good. Another. Last yan. Tatlong tira yan dahil pinawal si 3 points. And, okay. No good. Rebound. Nakuha na ni Aquino. Yeah, it's good. Wow, nice yan. 12-8. 4-point lead. Los Amigos. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 45 seconds of the first quarter. JR dribbling the ball. Penetrate, tinira. No good, rebound by number 3. Follow up. Oh, Juan Aquino, pass the play. Perry, is up, pinasa kay Rafael. Pinalik. Okay, that's good. 14-8, 6-point lead. Okay, and JR. Dribbling the ball, penetrates. Tinira, binigay kay Iko, tinira. No good, rebound by number 3. Rebound again, kasundot. Okay, 7 seconds shot now. 7 seconds shot now. Rebound. Cambio. 14-8. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Oh, pass play! Oh, tinapon. Okay. Number 14, JR. Oh, nag-block.
Tatlo.
Number 6, pinasa kay Ganaden. Pinalik, number 6. Oh, tinikot. Okay, wow, rebound kay Lauren. Ramos, kay Samuel. JR, penetrates, lays up, is, lumabas. Tinira, Dilea. Dinulua, steal ni Iko. Dribbling the ball, Iko.
Tatlo.
Napitawan ang bola, sa number 6. One-on-one play. Oh, lazy down. Okay. Okay, saving. JR dribbling the ball. Orchestrating. Penetrate. Tinira. Napul pa. Nahuli. Number 2, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Perry. Perry tinira sa 3 points. Local rebound. Number 8 again. Aquino. Tikot. Oops. Nalakas na tira. Rebound. Pagka din. Tinira. There's a foul by number 3. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 19 seconds. First drive. Mr. Ganaden. Hey, no good. Okay, second try. Adios. Number 3 out, number 13 in. 17-8. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Pinasa kay Samuel, tumula sa 3. Na airball. Number 2. Oh, plus free play. Oh, matalikod. Oops. Hilas po. Remaining time, 2 minutes.
Sit. Wala.
JR, mamadali, hinanap ang kampe. JR, pinasa kay Iko. Tinira, no good. Mintis na naman, mga kaibigan. Number 2, kay Perry na naman, nag-iisa sa 3 points. No good. Pinasa na. Oops. Cambio.
Bustillo, bustillo. Boss. Alvin. Sab.
Cambio. Okay, back to the ball game. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. JR dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Iko. Penetrates. Tinira. Oh, lumabas. Number Aquino. Rebound. A big rebound by Aquino. Dribbling the ball. Number 2. Ganadel plays for 3. No good. Rebound. Last 2 minutes. Nagmamadali. Penetrates. Tinira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ganadel. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Nahuli. Up. Nasundot. Napunta na yung Aquino. Dahil siya. Remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds of the first quarter. JR dribbling the ball. Dribbling.
Oh, yan.
Then shoot.
Uli.
Up. Number 5. Up. Nabutan.
Tira.
Tinira. 3 points. 22-8. 1 minute and 5 seconds. JR. Penetrate, lays up, shot, no good. Kinapit, rebound number 2. Number 5. Up. Nag-easy shot, nagpreno. Rebound by Michael. Nasa kay Ito. JR. Foul. There's a foul.
Nice foul.
40 seconds remaining time. Number
Timeout.
2. Timeout. Remaining time 40 seconds on the first quarter. 2 shots. First one, back shot, it's good. Second drive. No good. Rebound by Iko. Hindi na. Wala pa rin. Inapik. Number 2. Nasa number 5.
Set.
Double. No good.
Sarap naman mo.
25 seconds. Bang shot. 18 seconds. Gana din. Hinabol ang bola. 10 seconds.
Tira.
2, 1. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 3. Point. Number 3. Penetrates. No good. Number 3 rebound. Okay, Perry. Montero, naglalaro, bakbak. Perry. Up. Nasa ilalim. Up. Nice. Okay, Alcera. JR. 10 seconds to shoot. Tinira. Wala pa rin. Rui Mamayakin. Cambio. Okay, number 20, Alcera. Pass to Michael. Mariano. Ashley. Hindi mahuling bola. Inasa kay Michael. Naagaw. Okay. Mag-ingat tayo dyan. Mataas po yung linya dyan. Nice for 3. 3 points. Cambio. Okay, naka-press po. 29-12. 8 minutes, 19 seconds. Okay, Aquino dribbling the ball. Nagre-relax lang po, mga kaibigan. Aquino. Pinasa. Nahuli. Pinasa kay Samuel. Samuel dribbling the ball. Samuel. Tumira ulit sa press. No good. Pinasa. Rebound lang with Joel. Perry. Aquino. Tumira sa malayo. Okay, no good. Rebound by Ashley. Pinasa kay Sarah. Rodelio. Pinasa kay Sam. Tinira for 2. It's good. 2 points. 7 minutes, 35 seconds. 29-14.
Challenge.
Joel, number 6, dribbling the ball. Si Benay. Joel. Pinasa kay Tino. Tinira. No, lumabas. Rebound. Pinasa ulit. Kay Tino. Pinasa ulit. Ganun. Wala. Rebound naman. Wala naman. Rebound. Michael dribbling the ball. Penetrates. Nilay-out. Easy layup. Pinasa kay Sam. Samuel. Wala pa rin. Sam again. It's good. 29-16.
Nakatatlong tira.
Okay. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Pasok ka na din. Tumira sa press. It's good. Tinatin. 3 points.
Boss, huwag kayo manggigil.
Okay,
Marka lang kumayaw.
16. 6 minutes and 28 seconds. Rodelio. Inasa kay Michael. Titira sa tres. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Outside. Okay, number 6, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Perry. No good, rebound. Okay, number 6. Dala din again. Penetrate, asundot. Pinasa. Stepping. Cambio. Cambio number 20, 15 in. Number 18, 27 out. 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Samuel dribbling the ball. Samuel, pinasa kay Ramos, tinira sa tres. Tapos, mga kaibigan. Joel, pinasa, pass kay Perry.
Lamang tayo.
Perry, dribbling the ball. Pinasa yung Corpe. Pinasa yung Nino. Pinasa yung Steal. Ashley. Pinasa kay Samuel. It's 2 points. Okay, Aquino. Pinasa kay Ganadin. Nagpunta sa tres para tumira. Oy! Lucky points. Ganadin. 3 points. 35-18 ang score. 4 minutes and 30 seconds of the ball game. June dribbling the ball. Hinahanap ang kapit kay Samuel. Tumira sa tres. No good. Rebound. Rebound by number 6. There's a ball. Number 13.
15.
Cambio.
15.
Okay, back to the ball game. 35-18. Remaining time. 4 minutes. Number 6, pinasa sa ilalim ni Joel. Tinira. Wala, malakas. June, rebound. Dribbling the ball. Pinig, tinira. Nice shot. 35-20, 15-point lead. Aquino, dribbling the ball. Aquino, looking for his teammates. Grady Perez, tries for three. No good, rebound by June. June, dribbling the ball. Binababa, there's a foul by Mr. Ganadin. First personal foul, first team foul. Cambio. Raimundo, pinalitan si Ganadin.
Stop, rep.
Oh,
Reserve.
okay, pinasa ilalim kay Iko. Oops, there's a foul. Number 3, Cambio. First personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Number 2 in, Mr. Perry out. 2 shots. First try, it's good. Second try. No good, rebound. Nakuiko, binira. No good again. Bounce. Oh, binasa. Oh, binira. Binalik. Binasa kay number 2. Oh, binira. It's good. Rocket shot by the Rocket Man. Now, 3 minutes, remaining time, 37-21. Basto Acera, Samuel, nice shot, 2 points. 2 minutes, 45 seconds. Okay, ready the ball, hinahanap si number 2. It's okay na yun. Number 6, pinasa kay Joel. Oh, hinahanap ang kape. Wala rin. Okay, rebound by Nico. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. June, dribbling the ball. Hinahanap ang kape, pinasa kay Iko. Nag-tres. 3! Okay, nilabas ng bola ni Raymond. Pinasa kay number 2. Pinasa agad ito kay Perry. Perry penetrates. Oh, dami na makakapap. Okay. June, dribbling the ball. Nagmamatay. Oh, penetrates. Nilayap. Uy! Nawala. Rebound by ni June. Raimundo. Raimundo. One hand slam. Basket play. Nag-iisa. Walang kalaban. Okay. 37. 28. 9.8. 1 minute. 33 seconds. Aquino. Inaasa kay Ganadin. Tinira sa tres. Uy! 3 points! Mr. Ganadin. Malamig ang kamay. Magandang tira. Okay, remaining time 1 minute 15 seconds. 40-28.
Challenge, oh, challenge. Challenge. Say.
Kaya tayo kay June. Tinira kay Samuel. Wala, rebound kay Raimundo. Raimundo, 4-1. Tinira, pinasa. Pinalik, tinira kay Raimundo. Number 20 and 1. Borsa to Aquino. First personal, second team foul.
Tag. Stationary ka na. Stationary ka na.
57
Kung kayo ni
seconds.
Pire. Masak na tag stationary.
Okay, bonus shots. Ready jumper. Tinira. Oh, lumabas, niluwa mga kaibigan. Rebound by Ashley. 54 seconds. June. Pinigay kay Iko. Iko tries for 3. No good. Rebound. Lamas. Samuel, tinira. Wala pa rin. 41 seconds.
41.
Pinakasa kay number 2. Tinira sa press. No good. Rebound by Aquino. Oh, pinasa. Oh, nahuli. 29 seconds. Nice pass to Samuel. 24 seconds.
Lasyat.
20.
Lasyat.
17.
Lasyat.
15. 10 seconds. 9, 8. Okay, rebound by Ashley. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Pinasa kay Ashley. Nag-try sa tres. No good. Rebound. Oh, number 5. Perry, dribbling the ball. Perry. Number 9, Ganade. Oh, umikot. Nahuli. Umikot. Wala. Rebound kay June. JR, penetrates. Pinasa kay Ito. There's it, Jerome. Cambio. Nicely out. Ramos in. Okay, number 5, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Perry, tinira sa tres. No good, rebound by Rico. Pass to JR. JR dribbling the ball. Tunig, penetrates, plays the ball. No good. Number 5. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots. Remaining time, 9 minutes and 1 second. First try is good. Second try.
Max!
Nice shot.
Bola, pre. Ano bola?
Aquino, pinasa kay number 5. Number 5, sabi, 5 lang daw, 5. Raymond, tumira. Oh, nagaba. Pinik lang. Hinanapang, tinira, mga kaibigan. Oh, airball. Oh, umikot. No good. Rebound by Canadien.
Dalawa.
Sabay. Yan, ako isa.
Oh, tumakbo sa 3-point, tinira doon. Tapos, rebound by Aquino. Tinira. There's a traveling. Okay, JR, nagmamadali. Nagmamadali. Tinira, there's a foul. There's a foul. Number 10. Second personal, second team foul. Para na, mayroong committee. Dito pumunta na kami ng subdivision. Second try. No good. Rebound. By number 5. Number 5. Oh! Tinira. Fade away shot. Untok. Rebound by June. Penetration. Oh! Naagaw. Nalito. Pinasa. Siga natin. Tinayuan. No good. Tumayo na naman. Oops. Pinasa. Oy! And there's a foul. Lizzie Otso, June. Remaining time, 7 minutes. First person, cambio. Up, number 5. Sineset up. Okay, then Perry. Oh, JR. Wala, tinira ni Sam. Ano ba yan? Tinira. Wala. Topic ng goal na. Medyo mahirap sunod dyan, ha? 7 minutes, 8 seconds. Lalabas ang bola. Nakabaw. Number 6, Perry. 6 minutes, 53 seconds. Okay, bring it along. Tuloy lang. Tuloy na. JR penetrates. No good. Lumabas. Rebound by Mundo. Number 5. Oops. There's a foul. Number 20. Second personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot to Mr. Ganaden. 47-33, 6 minutes and 29 seconds. Bonus shots po ito. Bonus shots. First try, no good. Oh, there's a foul. Number 3.
Boss, team fouls.
Team fouls.
Third team foul. Third personal foul, number 3. Oh, nahuli. Pinasa kay JR. Samuel lays up. It's good. 6 minutes, 16 seconds. Okay, dribbling the ball. Raimundo. Still dribbling the ball. Tinira. Oh, there's a foul by number 14.
Warning.
6 minutes.
Warning.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. First try to Mr. Raimundo. First try. Oh, Mintis. Okay, second try.
Hindi naman tayo naghahabol eh.
Number 3. It's good. 48-35. 6 minutes and 2 seconds. JR dribbling the ball.
Isang tao ha.
Dribbling, setting the play. Setting the play. Penetrates. Tinira kay Samuel. Samuel for 3. 3 points by Samuel. Nice shot. 5 minutes, 42. 48-10 lead. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Perry. Tinira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Iko. Pinasa kay Albert Ramos. Pinasa kay JR. Pinasa. No good. Rebound by Jose. There's a ball.
Stop.
Stop break. 13 foul. 5 minutes, 20 seconds. Free throw para kay Alcel. No good.
Box.
Second drive. It's good. 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh, set.
Number 5, dictating the game, the rule. Ganaden, dinidribble. Oh, balak tumira sa 3. Oh, pinasabi pero hindi kumagat. Oh, there's a foul.
Penalty.
Number 20.
Penalty. 4-1 oh. Penalty.
Sige, talo.
Penalty. Remaining time, 5 minutes of the third quarter. First try by Mr. Ganaden. It's good. Okay. Second try. Oh, nawala. Rebound by Arcel. There's a foul by number 6.
Stop.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Okay, JR dribbling the ball. Orchestrating. Pass to Delio. Uy, nag-iisa. Tinira sa 3. Tapos, Pimpa Baiko, pinasa kay Ashley. Tira. It's good! Okay, Ganaden. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Number 5, still dribbling. Kailangan ng mga kapit. Up. Wala. Okay, Los Amigos ball. Okay, Riders ball. Gilas Riders, pinasa kay Ashley. Pinasa, it's good. 4 minutes, 10 seconds. 49-43. 6-point lead. Pinasa kay Raimundo, tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Raimundo pinasa kay Aquino. No good then. Pelpa. Butata. Number 13. Second personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Okay, 2 shots to kay Raimundo. First try. Malakas. Okay. Okay. Tira. No good. Rebound. Gana din. Gilas ball. Ay, Los Amigos. Imikot si Aquino. Nice shot. Turn around shot by Mr. Aquino. JR drifting the ball. JR. Nico. Tapos mga kaibigan ng tira. Remaining time 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Aquino drifting the ball. Pinasa. Bulawan. Number 5. Orchestrating. Inaantay ng effect. Pinasa kay Raimundo. Raimundo. Pinasa kay Aquino. Tumira. Jump shot. It's good. Easy shot by Mesa Domingo. 3 minutes, 8 seconds. 53-43. Bumalik po sa sumpo. Ang lamang. Okay. JR taking the ball. JR. There's a foul. By number 8. Penalty. Remaining time 2 minutes 51 seconds. 2 shots.
Time. 3 minutes. Reserve kami, boss, ha? Reserve kami.
Time out. Serve time out.
Time out, time out.
Time out. Time out.
I'm Los Amigos. All game. Two minutes, 51 seconds. Okay, number 6. Dribbling the ball. Number 6. Binigay kay Raimundo. Raimundo, 15 seconds.
Kat sa kita, kat sa kita.
Raimundo, penetrate.
Nice move.
Oh, nilay. Oh, there's a foul. That's number 13. Third personal foul.
Ganun lang. Ganun lang, pre. Penalty sila, eh.
Both teams are penalty. First one. Inasinta, it's good. Raimundo.
Sapa.
Second round. Concentrate. Tinira. Oh, nag-bounce, lumabas. Big rebound. Oh, Nilea Palpal. Pass din kay Tulu. Oh, nabutas.
Sub.
Oh, substitution. Committee's timeout. Na-split po, na-split.
Isang bat? Isang bat ba?
Okay, back to the ball game.
Oh, salubong.
Okay, JR. Penetrate. Oh, Sabutata. Number 2. One-on-one play. Oh. Nice shot. Okay.
Sa dito. Dapat.
Paso Ipo, tingin sa press.
Wala.
3 point.
Isa lang yung sa pula.
Aquino, dribbling the ball, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Oh, nag-iisa si Aquino. Tinira sa gitna. No good. Rebound by JR. JR, dribbling the ball. Mamadali. JR, penetrates. Tinira. It's good. 56-49. 1 minute 2 seconds. Gana din. Up. Nag-block ka. Okay, Los Amigos ball. 1 minute 20 seconds. Number 2. Number 2. Up. Nasundot. Up. Nabot. Number 2. Aquino. Tinira. No good. Gana din. Big rebound. There's a foul. Number 20. Warning for foul daw. Number 20.
Ilan pa ulang, boss? Apat na siya. Sino?
First try. It's good. Easy shot by Mr. Ganaden. Remaining time 58 seconds. 57-49. It's good. Cambio.
Boss, tapat na para hindi makatapat na.
Isa lang yung sa bola.
Sa kamera agad yung 13. Ayun o.
JR dribbling the ball. 6 seconds. JR penetrates again. Oh my God. Perry dribbles the ball.
Okay, graduate.
Okay, final foul. 5 fouls by Mr. Arcena.
Graduate.
Number 20 yung kanina. So graduate yun na. Penalty.
Yung number 3, ilang taon na yung number 3?
45 seconds remaining time. 2 shots for Mr.
Tatlo
Perry.
tayo.
Okay, rebound by Icon. There's a foul by Mr. Aquino. Yes, penalty. Both teams penalty. Remaining time 45 seconds. 58-49. Okay, 2 shots. First try, no good. Second try. No good again. Rebound by number 2. 40 seconds. Pass to number 2. Gana din. Easy shot. 30 seconds.
Isa na.
25. Penetrate. There's no foul. Aquino, pass per play nag-iisa si Ganaden. Tinira, it's good. 10 seconds.
13.
8, 7, 6, 5. Tinira si Tres. No good.
Oh, meron pa ako tayo.
62-49. End of ng Los Amigos. Okay, 60-49. Perry, nilalabas ang bola.
Ipasa!
Okay, Raimundo. Tao-tao po ang laro. Oh, si Perry. Oh, hindi. Binigay kay number 2. Tumira. No good. Okay, last touch. Ang Los Amigos. Bola po ng Gilas Riders. JR dribbling the ball. Ikong. Tira. Nilakas na tira. Rebound pa number 2. Aquino dribbling the ball. Oh, pinasa kay Raimundo. Pinay. Easy shot by Aquino. Jude dribbling the ball. Dribbling. Still dribbling. Penetrates. Tinira ni Jude. No good. Rebound. By Raimundo. Oh. Atid. Aquino. Aquino dribbling the ball. Aquino dribbling the ball. Aquino. Lalim pa kami kay Galagel. Up. Low post play. 10 seconds to shoot.
Paul, Crisita, 14.
Oh, 14 seconds.
40 seconds po.
Warning for foul on number 3.
Dribbling.
Okay. Holder, rebound by Iko. Oh, bad.
Say. Kasi kalaban mo tayo.
15 seconds shot clock. Number 2, pasa kay Perry. Dinayo sa press. No good. Rebound. Para kay JR. JR. Penetrates. There's a foul by number 2. Okay, 2 shots. No good.
Oh, rebound na sa.
Second try.
Truwan.
64-49 pa rin ang naman. Second try, no good. Pinasa kay Aquino.
Easy.
Minod ng bola. Nasa tubig isa, number 2. It's good. 66-49. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Iko, tingin sa press. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 14, JR. Again. Iko. Pinera. No good. Rebound by number 9. Ganaden dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Perry. Pinasa kay Aquino. Nag-iisa sa sab. Umabot sa Ramos. Pinasa sa board. Aquino. Pinasa kay Raimundo.
Shot clock.
Shoot. 5, 4, 3. Oh, there's a traveling. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 25 seconds.
Tira na boss, tira na.
Sunod-sunod ka.
Oh, kamera.
Okay na ito. Perry, dribbling the ball, penetrates. Pinasa, pinalik. There's a foul. Number 14. Second personal.
Sa kabila.
Okay, 2 free throws. Raimundo.
Wala yatang butas yung
66-49. First try. No good. English. Second try. No good. Rebound by June. Pinasa kay JR. JR. Oops. Pinasa kay Ramos. It's good. Number 2, dribbling the ball. Hinaharas mga kaibigan. Nabitawan. Napasa kay Perry. Iniikot ang bola. Number Aquino, pinasa kay Nino. Nag-iisa. Tinila sa press. Logo, rebound by Sam. Okay, Cambio. 6 minutes and 27 seconds.
Hey! Binigyan ng kulay!
Okay, back to the ball game. Pinasa kay Raimundo. Raimundo dribbling the ball. Initiating.
Shot clock.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 3, Raimundo penetrates. Logo rebound by Iko. Pinasa kay number 3, kay Ramos. Pinasa kay Samuel, tinira. Logo, rebound by Ramos. Nakagaw. Nakagaw di ko din.
Oh, kabila.
6 minutes.
Yan.
Okay.
Nice.
15 seconds shot clock.
15.
Perry, nantay ka kampe. Aquino.
Tira.
9 seconds.
Tira.
Raimundo, 5 seconds. Layup. Logo, rebound by Iko. 5 minutes and 36 seconds. JR. Pinasa kay Ramos. Easy shot. 66-53.
Bola.
Eric dribbling the ball. Easy daw, easy. 15 seconds shot clock. Oh, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Iko. Pinasa kay Ramos. Nag-iisa si Ramos. Penetrate. Tinira. Bale. Boarding. JR. Nahuli. Naagaw. Perry. 5 minutes. Remaining time. Nagsiisa si Aquino. 2 points. 68-53. Samuel dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Iko. Tries for 3. 3 points.
Bola.
4 minutes and 42 seconds.
Serve kayo, boss, ha?
68.
Serve.
Okay, Aquino. Tinira, no good. Rebound, oops.
Sab.
Los amigos. Time remaining. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 68 to the ball game. Remaining time. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 68-56. Oh, nahuli. Naikot. Nakuha pa rin nila yung uto. Kay Perry sa press. 3 points kay Mr. Perry. 71-56. Samuel. Pinira sa press. Short. Iba kay Ripundo. Okay, nag-iisa. Tino. Kay Ripundo. Oops. Tinira. Nahuli. 15 seconds shot clock.
Easy.
10 seconds.
Tira.
Tinira na Perry.
Hey!
3 points. 3 minutes, 46 seconds. JR, penetrates. Binigay. Samuel, tinira sa press. Tapos. Oh, there's. Tinay number 5. Number 5. Oh, there's a traveling. Gilas Riders. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 31 seconds. 74-56.
Ilang minuto na lang, boss.
18 na.
Ha? Boss, pwede ka maglaro.
Back. Okay, back to the ball game.
3 minutes.
3 minutes and 31 seconds. 74-56.
Ang laki naman ng gwardiya mo, boss.
JR penetrates. Tinira. It's good.
Lang yan.
Nice shot. 3 minutes 20.
Oras.
Aquino. Pinasa kay Noel. Pinasa kay Aquino. Pinasa kay Noel. Titira si Noel. Ayaw. Number 8.
Saklak.
10 seconds to shoot. 8.
Tira.
5 seconds to shoot.
Tira.
20 seconds shot clock. Okay, nagkamadali. Pinasa. Penetrates kay Iko. Si Samuel. Penetrates. There's a traveling. 2 minutes, 49 seconds.
Oras. Oras.
Kabila.
Raimundo dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Noel. Ganap ka kape, pinasa kay Ganadel.
Saklak.
30 shot clock. 10 to shoot.
Oh, Jess.
8, 7, 6. Tinira sa tres. No go, rebound by Iko. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos nagmamadali. Relay shot. It's good. 2 minutes, 19 seconds. Oh, there's a foul with Samuel.
Dos. Penalty.
74-60.
Ay, wala pa. Labas.
13 foul. Wala pa penalty.
Time.
2 minutes and 14 seconds. Noel.
Shot clock.
Okay, Raimundo. 15 seconds shot clock. Aquino, 10 to shoot. Nice shot, turnaround shot from Mr. Aquino. 1 minute, 50 seconds. JR, it's good. 1 minute, 40 seconds. Gana din. Relax. Gana din. Binigay kay Aquino. 14 seconds shot clock. 10. Nag-iisa si Perry. Perry! 3 points! 1 minute, 20 seconds. Kiko. Ginasa kay JR. JR. Penetrates. There is up. Pinasa kay Samuel. Nag-iisa. Pinasa kay Aquino. 1 minute, 3 seconds. Nag-iisa na lang. Okay, nice. 56 seconds. Tries for 3. It's good. 3 points. Ashley. 45 seconds.
Oh, quits.
40 seconds. 17 shot clock. Tinira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Ashley. Pass back to Samuel. Samuel, tumira sa 3. It's good. 3 points. 30 seconds. 24 seconds. 20 seconds. Pinasa kay Gana din. Tinira pa rin. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Nice!
Score 83-72.
Pag daw talaga ayaw mo to.